as we enter the second half of the year 2012, we are entering a time period that is perhaps one of the most profound time periods in the history of humanity. A time period in which we are learning more about ourselves, our species, the history of our planet, the history of our solar system, and the nature of physical reality than we have ever learned before. The area of perhaps the greatest growth is in the field of consciousness, and within the field of consciousness, an area that has received an explosion of new understanding is the field of remote viewing. Remote viewing is a mental procedure that is used to transfer information across both time and space. Methodologies that were used for remote viewing were developed by the United States military and used for operational purposes. Now, however, we use these same methodologies to conduct experiments into the nature of physical reality and time. However, sometimes we also use the procedures of remote viewing to investigate mysteries, sometimes historical mysteries. This summer, when I speak at the meetings for the SSF-IIIHS in Montreal, Canada, I will be talking about one of those historical investigations that involved an intriguing look at the so-called crucifixion drama involving Jesus. I will be showing you new evidence, remote viewing data, collected under pristine conditions that suggests that Jesus was in fact never crucified. Someone else was crucified in his place, and apparently there was a conspiracy between Jesus, Judas, and perhaps a few others to dupe the authorities. More importantly, this new understanding of the crucifixion drama does not diminish Jesus in our eyes. Once you understand the full picture, including the connection between the crucifixion drama and quantum physics, the nature of physical reality, you will see that the picture that we develop of Jesus is in fact much greater, grander, more interesting than we ever had before. Again, I will be speaking about this. If you have an open mind and would like to see some of these new data and then to decide for yourself, welcome to the talk. I'll be looking forward to presenting all of the data this summer in Montreal at the SSF-IIIHS conference.